What does the condo fee or maintenance fee cover? My name is Laddi Dillon, your local RE/MAX broker. In my previous video, I explained the difference between the freehold and condo properties. Today I'm going to talk about the things that are covered in condo fee. First of all, in condos, there are a few different categories. And any individual condo corporation can decide what kind of services they are going to provide in return of the condo fee you pay for. First type is portal. It's also called part of a tied land, where you only pay condo fee for road maintenance, garbage and snow removal. Second type is condo townhouses, where most of the time building insurance, roof, windows, the fence are covered in the condo fee. I have seen many townhouse condo corporation also cover the water bill in the condo fee. Third is condo apartment buildings. In older condo buildings, the condo fee covers almost everything, including common area maintenance, building security, water, hydro, heating, parking, building insurance, even cable TV. In the newer condo buildings, they provide separate meters for hydro and water, so the condo fee covers building maintenance, common area maintenance, building security, water, pool. The parking maintenance is mostly additional in new construction condo buildings, so I hope it will give you some idea about how the condo fee works. For any questions about any kind of properties, please feel free to contact me at 905-598-0725. And don't forget to share this video with anyone planning to buy a property in near future. Remember, sharing is caring. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.